Ashanti Youth Association. What that's why secretary. Na bibia bokode. Mete won kache. Yesi yedidi ayen kasa nti bia na wonso didi. Enti na won kasa. Na enra nsentofo nhye bi koso. Na minim wo mu baby wo mu se bia wo ka wo hu se wo mu nka wo hu mabunu bi nso e wo bantama so from Bantama Youth Association and wo mu nso ayen nsentofo nhye mu. Na wo mu rediscussion in response to Yaw Osafo Maafo Odua about Akoma. For the purpose of the discussion, anyone in fact yes o poor man nyina akra won kran a omani abre enso person mo demonstration nyina say there's an audio I circulate omudi say Yaw Osafo Maafo akasa o makasa manatwi asanteman ma yinti the voice Yaw Osafo Maafo edbai.
One is Rigi. A few months, I'm seeing them from a kind of Rigi, and one is Rigi. Yes, education system, we are using the national health system, we are using the national. And we start all over. A regional. About him, someone to tell and not for Yata, and not look. This was the chiefs that are fighting for independence. I'm not on the foreground count. I'm not going to part of this thing. If the castle may read reading black one, you may is reading the first central boy in the morning. Akoma FM. We have some money. One rationalize it. One can take it. One reason. Now, why have fast what's no man? Yano, permitting it to use and simple. Saka coffee, but is that no man? Akoma FM.
Right, this audio and I receive a lot of anger. Mabrubi war Santamante Wenra, almost the answer to Vinchemo, Yentiomo.
And Penisa said, "Be a brew, what can come Cassia Guam Pie and Chai, or busy as a friend of one mouth was the end. Kojina baby can't send be me bonny decra said be a bruna me home. Kojina baby can't send be Santa Mai Curano. Ghana Jaffa who dear. Na se bia bru santeman ye ni chefa wom na mpuntu nyina what's a koso ewo epoye mantem abusuafo asem no ya asem a enyan na bon na Akoma FM ya susu sa pani bia nyame ama ne fie na se benko ma ne pani dwene obeka sa asem o kan ye no o metwensan se wanka ne yie na se bia bru bibi kura na aba ama nsuo agya to ama mire agya ifiri amasa bi nkwampa agya edayo wotwe aboatwe agya nkase ne ho ase enko begina ko otwa mansa nko antato ne pa na aboa ko otwa mansa kura wa pratete no na basa esosene wotwe mu a asem ne ebususem ya Bantama mebu ahye Akoma na akaya kra ya tenase antena eti ne nawu
Akoma FM
na asem wo kan ye no ne ma yehu se ane ebre bi na nado ba santemam befa yewura me boni dia na mama muso te kokoso santemai be makukuru pagya force ne mema mpimudu ko boankra say ye inland port mampendela kofo na hya ase oba ye wo so obeto aso befa yewura ote kokoso de ne ko ye say wo de so kobofo me ye adwuma abusuafo sa boankra inland port efiri say yewura santehene na nado ko ye ne yehunu hwibio eno ne ma yehu say ene na o mampani futufo Osafo Maafo tu mampani fo say boankra no ma wonye
Akoma
se bia buru santeman santefo ne Ashanti region ye ni twaka bia wo punturu mu monko ye hwehwemu na munkompo hwe mochi say ankra inland port enka railway line ebe fa ho na ye fa ne ma de free port wa ye de abegu ho enso railway line ya divert
Okay. Eti omu wie na mabunu no nso do oma ano esi MPs wa Asante region.
Yeah. Enipa domo a ewo ho no. Jin matam bie ne woni owo MPs e cha Asante man. Ye wo MPs mako Asante mamu aduanan so 47. Ye di MPs ni Akoma ho yawo Asante region. MPs ye di mo ho yawo. MPs ni enu pe sore e wo parliament omu free voter region. And womu say womu ho no tidal waste boba ho. Ye ma womu sika $10 million nipa 2. Womu de koye nsraban e wa ano. Ne ba ne sei. Ye no an sei na amne. Ya yura ho Yesu. Enti MP Ashanti region MPs. Ye ma mo na wotu mienu no omumra bontin meyi womu ho ano. Sa asema ye kan ye boa. No womu kire ye de omu ye de ma Asante man. Ama Asante atumi atumpon. Se womu anya sadia. Ene ye ni bibia ye Asante man mu ne nsono ene ne brebo nutu ene ne mata ye wura otekoko so santehene Asante man bema kukuru pejafo a wosena pem opese huruku a wotia da the videos many boys na sini ne dia ye be ko santehene wo de petition akoma ne say MPs na de yenwamo 2024 ye Asante mamu mabunu bantama youth a ye wa ha ye yasem odenti mo hwemre wafo abeta yachi omunyina bo yachi dom say ye be present yankase candidate de wo mo be ko santehene wo ye wura akwa je yakoje ye wura ho ani onyam ni hira na ye wura santehene ehira ye wi a ye de wo mo aba se mampani na ado ene ne nkrofo na wani ahwe Asante man a 2024 ye mpese party MPP anase party NDC fufuro bia beyi ni pase odini begina
Akoma 87.9.
Okay, now adwadifu a ewo eye bantemane na mpotamu nso ekasai.
Ani to ma ya gogo kwan kra ma ya gogo kwan. Bani to fra gogo ho ne ewo no so bani to hwa gogo. Wo hwe ho ti bani to wa ma hwa gogo kwan ne ma yan. Wuti ka ma gogo kwan. Kurafo betimi abachika na gina ho. Na wugina ho se obetimi agi hu sika nyina nti abadwo ma Akoma ti esra bani to no de ma ne nya adwo so se obe ba akwadwa no so biem. Bani to de yeyian no biem ti yesra mo. Apart from kwan no bani to police station yesi ni ho. Yentimi nsi ana wifo ne awrade bra so wusi agogo ho a wo wura ba ho se ho no ka wo man ho aso ye ka ho bi nti esra bani to se won hwe na wo munya police station wonya kwa na ma ya ne ya bra ya to ba ne ya bra panti aba so mo aye na bani to de wonya de ya de ne ya ho adwuma ma ne ye
eye me ya papa suofia ene wo hyimu kwan no MP fo ya gu MPP ani mu ase no wo mu nhye wo mu ye pane ani abre ya ti wo mu so ntashikoko ne esuofia ne asaman kwan abre ponsio breji etimi yiri na mata ye metuotu anifu ano emu apemfo ne yeti wono mo anadwo 12 o'clock 1 o'clock afa na ensuo na chi ensa ne yakọ ara na mo ye yesa ye ni abre pa MPfo ye ni abre mo gu MPP anu ase mo hweye mo hye ye na mo sesa mo suban mo hye ye na mo nya sikadie na mo nya Asante region ye maye na ye ne ye to abare enye saade ane ne ye ne mo mienu enye ye kura ma ye ma ai empumprase breji no so ka ho empumprase breji wo mo nya ma ye ebuegum eburu mfie miensani last ya ka akoshim ebobo ya ashim enipa wia ne yewu ara mo pese mo kun ye kwa ye bedwa ye sika kakra bo ya sene
Observe high Akoma 87.9 FM and we ensemo akoso na mamembra Ashanti Youth Association omo secretary ankasa twaba kodia
over
bibia bokodia
twediam padarma
minima se biba officially mo position ababonte
Debbie.
Okay.
Debbie.
Na mwanyamre tie.
Nra anwumre nya adagitie.
Okay.
Edika ma menchia wofa. Chia wo kwan sonko so mechia production team, mechia wo tiefo. Ade ba ko a me wofa wo ho ne se why say atieja wofa so ni matieja.
Akoma FM.
Enti ma ade ya de ti baabi abako bia no matter how system is tie no be follow. nti yemu bi ye follow pa
nyamisha
na media me wo fa no prekope if that dem na on family agro
ananti ache
na ekun ya wo kun mo bi nka se wo ba Akoma FM na wo kun sa kun
dabi
ofa de akun sa kun no ama me ankasa me ho tansan bi be san wo fi that dem afi na ani si wo huma yetimi ye course bi be si wo so afi no wani body chemistry na sesa na me hwɛ saa
Akoma FM
esi Kofi Asante na entertain TK wo ho ne a flow production team no mo tete so at a point in time na fe wo fa se woni me book
na ka me ye you ipamu
ka wo ye mafi asu gina wa na mo so ade me hu ye pa ye me fe ye me ko national contest national organizer na system no akoye se chese so obi na atwa se me mmom asem so kra o but who make sure so no at least Asante die wo ti wo be frame
ade pa ofie
manage sad na ma
Akoma FM
so Nyankopon se obekoso mo ahoden ene akukuduro because ano odin ye be you of list bebree mu program ya wo ya control bebree wu nkobi pediam bebree wu nya bi ye bebubu ani chie bebree sese kura na system na dwo kakra first bar ne de ke be suma boys sa betetew
ni yabo
na enne no mo mba babo no mo so kom de wo mo chei ama mo aye demonstration chei
enti o mo
kura se o mo mabiu
azeti
ono ni ade asa be asie
my brother
me chia mpanyimfo a etie wo station mpanyimfo tie pa me chia Kumasi Parliament Kumasi Association Ashanti Youth Association Ashanti Students Union mechia obibia ofa Kofi meti ha no mewra ho wo kwan bi so ye mu bi aye victim because of Asante ya Asante sem sabi MPP amanyokuo upe fia MPP amanyokuo free mu pa so so Asante mamu a mimi fie ka ho in fact mi wo fa Kofi amedide ni design patrol sata no obi ani design patrol Kumasi ha because mebo no individual na wo bi in fact the only design patrol na wo Kuma na wo kasi on kwa na pejaro ye tamsaka no ama Jekufo on na di Jekufo call president in fact na Jekufo had no car I saw Jekufo the taxi on Richard Anane and ko jompiani de ba me yanke ho e be fa saka no
oh I see
yes I saw it e will be quite runabout enti some of us no ye kasa ni bebi aye dey
kasa
free eba na eya na mewra ho se bi obi nanim nyansa cha Asante ana se Asante ensusu nanim nyansa cha obi a medwe ho a menti ase ade atwagu ni nyina ya agenda yes se woni agenda forget it se bi ye sorry anopa ya begina hai o production team assist program no there is an agenda who follow Akoma. It is a different programming bibia. Forget it. And me no ma come to a situation many nipa bebre enkubio because me hunu say nipa bu o agenda. And I hear the AC ani bi. But fatie. There were 3 powers in the world. 3 powers in the world. Etiefo etie mintie nie. Titu MPP for there is a session group be a free executive delegates.
Yeah.
Tienie. There are 3 powers in the world. Political power, economic power, social power. Sa social power no Nyankopon de dum asanteman tie ye ka asanteman a asanteman nya asantefo.
Yeah.
Ye ka akosi sahwi mam. Ye ka akosi asen mam. Ye ka akosi ahafo.
Bono.
Ye ka akosi bro nkranza. Ye ka akosi wampa mu. Ye ka akosi jamai. Ye firi ani ya bon kontina ko Eastern region dwaben. Ye firi ani ya wura makorara. Ye konzima akotoko. Ye kwa dagomba kotoko ye ko gonja ya bonwura edi wura no you should understand baby free by ye wura omba to Asante wo ho
Akoma FM
onti ye ka Asante man ofa this is the only regional abusuakuo bia wa ha and on record unim say Asante mamu na zongos doso zongo ni ba bia doso cha Asante mamu enti wo ha eya mama mindset ni nya se Asantefo na enya eya Asanteman na enya
yeah
na there are 3 powers in the world that make kind say political power, economic power, social power. Nyame dia dom ye. The social power no say Asante India free soro. Enti say me hu wo kasa with passion. And then me hu you could see the passion or person who said the region and the social power and spirit no move no. But you see, my mention social power need to be reduced no.
Okay.
Say any pakuo be trans in woman who say social power no swan. They will then some be political power because they say you were executive governor. It was political power no on the control bibia. Then or the political power no be economic power. Because you musa santimamu ye kwufo free mampon kwufo free mampon you musa santimamu uma sabi asantimamu abrantie 1 million na koma region bi mu abrantie 1 million asantimamu abrantie be multiply 1 million and that is the economic power Akoma, say 87.9 what do we do any political power no political power no dia manfra obi atimi to bi the answer be set agenda right near push agenda no enti yomu ye ne se asantimamu so adia mo kon dopa ya no ma miensa sikada MPP na kotoko sikada no untimi nya access to kotoko there's a mechanism of control kotoko no so you can't get it so on befa the tool na ya MPP no
okay
enti the tool na ya MPP no ene ne ye use tiamo enti etebia na
Akoma
na ye ho say obi sunse ni kuro kwanye ni bridge abuagum of our fidadam me ka se bosomtwe bridge bi wo ka wo asam afe na chese wo chia kura na bosomtwe bridge na namu chese aya wo se mate ni bi o pai keje roman so but that same person no wo dia ya se wo kasa ma no na wo ho sa na hi se aden na wo kan waka tia MPP. Can you just imagine? Yes, and the same people who say yes. And kofu mindset ni se ya MPP ni ya fan MPP no a ni operate through the MPP no a wo mu hu de ya pese operate to no me pa what ya say
Akoma FM
ya kase pa uti si ndis mu krampo ete sa anda mahama na Asante mamu ya Asante region way ni one cabinet minister but wo de just raise it anama Asante fo ana butaka mo free region wo mu nkoka womu abasachi womu awe yes there are examples bebre enti until say ye nyina ye ni beba e ho so me Martin nsem ni bebre Mati Yaw Osafo Maafo nsem ko fo dey send me bi the free US any ade no mo dey send me me nyina ye ma but ade agusa mo no say ensem o kan no enya mabodwo so
okay
na so say na mpesa bi say ye nyina ye tie say enti who expect say Yaw Osafo Maafo hia na busuafo no from Eastern region no
oba be kan
obedi di o matem ana are you any analysis?
Sure.
The question you should ask yourself: Edia ne push you Yaw Osafo Maafo a ema sa community ni so a okosia ne kromfo no work asem no. Is there not a cause? There was a cause.
There was a cause.
And the cause was politics. Edia asem na asi wo ho. Ade asi wo ho ne say kwawufo no have seen say now they should also begin to have their agenda. Enti kwa e ba ye say ya endorse way chinchina we na monfa no nko no kwawufo say no way yampne never again yes you best say the dynamics na our politics na our Eastern region no because Eastern region no kwawufo do so pa and kwawufo allies bebre yes kwawu move a akwamu move a dwabe move because obi anim say dwamefo nim say kwawufo no efri mampon so omo gina omo ground so tie wo ya delegate wa ha na gina MPP mu tie niye enye se sika nko Eastern region politics nim sika kwa pa 87.9 akwatena se Ashanti region guru scrum metena guru squatena se but they make sure say no e time yen other groups no led by Kwawu no we should be to have an agenda and we reject the so called endorsement no say nipa bi sha omo say chinchina ha na monfa no da bi yenya bio enti wono and the car Yaw Osafo Maafo say o mesia no nipa ni bidi nkomo and I'm reliable informed say Kwawufo no rejected this meeting no
I see
yes led by Brian Nkofo
Brian Champon
yes
team no I see
enti this is a lesson who was Santimamu now wo gina MPP mu wo gina DC mu wo ye delegate you see ade ba ko edi enya pa yen kan ye suro se ye ba bosso e ye delegates no de bia me ka kire mo say
Akoma FM
obi anya sika say oto wadwen gi sika no e you right e you dia because then the nipa amass so much wealth na one me come do so many years obeka kire o say afa Kofi Asante na me penu nti chinchin na Kofi Asante na to abama no gi sika no owi apanish no owi apanish na ka kire say aden na de wo so Kofi Asante na opa no na wo petiki edi anti na afa de wo petiki Jesus can punish no and that is what Eastern region for no ye and Yaw Osafo Maafo akohia o and atuna kasa and wo kasa
Akoma
and I don't expect say Yaw Osafo Maafo kohia o no be ka kire o say mu Eastern regions for emfaso ani mo so mo kura ye pre Ghana no na mo nka ho bi na beden wa ye saade no enti Akoma kasa na mo ni abre
87.9
this is the time eza musumo ba fie Yaw Osafo Maafo so amamu onum yeah wa Asante fo akase me pese me body na me pese me ni be sa obi an obi akokase tika because the chrome ansam no
wa nkan ni
obi kwa kosan wa homa bi a wo yu ho anu a ono na ma ye da so ti be atie yo ofa me ya amanyosem no me pese me body ban kura bebre me juniors bebre rise and no mu kura appointment
Akoma FM
for service bebre omu ye juniors
yeah
but my Asante sem of Kofi Asante wa ka wo bi anopotutu no afra mi ko na ya kwansa wa ka wo bi minya appointment nyina wo ka ho so enti ade na efe si enso ye mpanyimfo wa ba
Asante ye ni anso ase ye ndo ye ho
me na me ba no
ye ndo ye ho
ye ni ye ho we
ye
enti de na ye efe se ye so mpanyimfo wa ba mu akuku da ma wa ba mu so ba be chinkola ye so ye mrante na hyedem ye so ye delegate a hyedem no mso aka kire o mo se afedie nsuo to ye ne yante a
Akoma
ye de hu se nsuo ato eti yenso so ye ka Ghana ho ne yenso ye history nie na wo so wa ase aka o history no me ba to what ase hwe lady bi o wa bam ye o ye presidential staffer the friend na pagatia Clara in fact ma peledi na sema wonim sem ni nhia da ye communicate ye di nkomo in fact me yire fan cha me ma fall in love for that lady
I see
wonim why the Eastern region ya deputy agric minister near friend Kwetu and will make a trouble statement say yeah against notness lady na nkase wo abamu o o catch that minister apology is not enough now who apologize no because it's not enough at the end we demanding you need to resign lady ni kasa wie no ananwumre and a minority caucus in parliament all free enough no MPP obi aka wo the general post obi anyi ni one free mo omu nyina aka bo mu say we are demanding say on resign eba aha na nke si ya wonu si aka bia tie pa ora mahama eka kire o say prempe say Asante for the omu r no omu ha o mu okay yan fa na gro yan kasa wuti obi ti ho wa but ma sem we nsi wo
Akoma FM
enko obesi fom
na bota renye ya budget o mo ka say omo
fantastic
they
fantastic and they went one accord
from both
MPP and DC one accord
and then 87.9
what is ama uba bo ho wa one accord in fact to the stand say Abrantie of Free Central Region who say na chief free anguna deputy minority majority no me
deputy majority
for chairman Sabonsu yes na chief free anguna in fact ne papa ye anguna
Akoma FM
wo mo kan anguna kasa kira no ma afa wo dimirika asa be retract. You see, these are the people with an agenda, with a common goal. Yenhwese we yan pipi ni, yenhwese we yan DC ni. Yenhwese we ni dey atwe fruma. They are talking about development.
Yeah.
Development. Of a two ka ya ye dey bay. Unru ba bi ma portal bi nwo kwan so o ka se TK yan pipi ni wa national organizer nti. Portal no ma fele faso.
Dabi.
Udi bobom. Enti sankofu ni seize political power no. And wo ma use so tia ye. Hwe ene Ashanti region your economy ekofomo
Akoma FM
and Mahama ni Mills and wo di law bi buy a good forest bureau so be kaya na Ashanti mam na forest bureau wo pa Kumase and wo di good no this same government is here restructuring whatever Ashanti for na bie banks pa Unibank and me catch Unibank the biggest shareholder your friend and Sunamwa. The biggest shareholder your friend and Sunamwa. Ofriya baby emena. What you say? And then one who say sika no fan man e wo dwom ni sika. There was one woman be o Kumasi market.
Akoma FM.
Me yam see me. And the
21 billion.
21 billion with records. Or prove it with records. In fact, near them Kumasi dwom poor match or some koto aba MPP. And this woman proved with records 21 billion. Me yam see me. Hey! I was Central Market. What?
Akoma 87.9.
And to just imagine some mami will clock 21 billion. How many people depending on some mami way? Na say she can akwaka. Oh, Park was in bank. Aka. And ubenya communicator of MPP. You are be defended. Me tike sadia no mentimi defend enti no
Akoma FM
no MPP no there be o me ma ye nyisu MPP na say weapon enti am nkofo
enti
ofa mabru no
yeah
yes ye mu bi hwehwe omo but you see
we bantama
ye me fe ye see mu bi no that's how mabru we bi mu nti ase ye see mu bi no that's how mabru we bi nti ase but ade a make kire asante ni asante man kosi ahafo kosi sahwi baabi a ofidi eduru baabi ya ne se ni nyina de bottom line so yan hwe political
87.9
si yan hwe political power ono
Akoma FM
because Bafo Koto knew it me nana ambassador Kwantebi so obaye otumfo opoku a first secretary and then come the book be abro and then letters be me de bro in fact me de ma o hwemu ya magima de me ma o nye photocopy yes a very delicate letters a be prove what you say Asante ye to Amina Castle wouldn't say Amina Castle ya to Tuaka with records you are shocked
na say
I am telling you letters be prove what you say
investor of Ghana
ever sika di ko si Legon it is there
Legon investor of Ghana one of the halls
Akoma FM
you see and then mama kan no producer bebuza say do I know a history of Asante ya me kan history of Asante ya kan as ye ton ye hododo but I na me kan de kitwa bi a kiro TSW Thomas on an governor at that time the last governor Asante nya independence in 1935 and ya na me obi ka say Asante we were not colonized we have fought for our independence Asante afanu wan ko shebroni sam shebroni nya and you see people omo ton nipa abu abrofo mo ton nipa they are the people who are talking today yan ton nipa
Akoma FM
87.9
yan ton nipa enti Asante and then for koko sahi ya na ne adofo ho hafo Asante dia enti hwe asema W Thomas Kafa Asante ho tie ni
okay
paragraph 6 na make kan also secondly by the behavior of during the last 30 years the Asantes have earned the right to be given what they want abrofo na so and he was speaking at Britain or parliament
okay.
that time near friend imperial government and I want to make an address way and he was the last governor aya na man for
Akoma FM
find out their rhetoric
yes
and so try far Asante ho o say
they are thoroughly book about Asante lands
no they want to show you now o say they are thoroughly loyal law abiding and progressive people the relationship between them and the governor which government no worker Commonwealth government that is Britain worker we have been for years in the Great War in the Great War they gave 2 aeroplanes to the imperial government
Akoma FM
this
Great War no imperial government kokono that time no and their friend Commonwealth no Asante to war planes 2
and to for call you cry man
Asante to war planes 2 and it's that time no and that tribe na ye a state Africa imperial government did to say state were so rich and yet they were bomb and then we supported them with 2 war planes
and the area
you see Asante am fa bargaining bi am joining
Akoma 87.9
am joining ya enkene
Akoma FM
nesu na ye hwehwe ne say satam no yenya independent no economy ne te say tribe no obi any strength bi obi any capacity we feel say ye meboa Ghana say obi di say Ghana de car e Asante na Ghana de ne car me pacho what you say but areho any say ye man kofo use politics hwe afrifa UNC afrifa nkoa na timi wini seat e wo UNC mu and afrifa ba ye mampon MP yet na ho ma ye ton afrifa Asante ye di
Akoma FM
because agenda omu hu ye ne say ye ne yakofa UNC aba yentimi anya seat yenya ekrom kura yentimi wini hwe Pauli wentimi wini hwe enti say ye hwe ya afrifa ba ye MP oko represent UNC wo parliament and hwe UNC ne ba be sha Asante fo nsem I am telling you today take it or leave it ma hiti bibi e be obi oto obi ahoba wo so no let me tell you
Akoma 87.9
kutuwa champion konfana che kutuwa champion oh eya the history ni bi sie ni e pese e paint picture say say bibi e Kwame Nkrumah which is not true konfana che na mo ko
Akoma FM
esa mo no kutuwa champion Kumasi Sports Stadium amukwa amani ji amotete wo bosire he kutuwa champion all the snake bangles wa santimamwa kwada so kutuwa champion Chapatre State Ahinsen State Boku State ni nyina kutuwa champion enne be bia soja fo gu omani age kokowia building se ka wura kutuwa champion
87.9
ye di ka omun sa shom dem fam ye kofa champion kuku no enti ofa kan sembi eye ho an edi Asante abro Asante tamfo ni Asante
yeah otofo kra so kan sebo the last celebration
na nanu man hina say ebi mu tio because Kofi Asante de minim ofa na ma boldin
Akoma FM
87.9
na nanu mu atio mu no me say yen tro challenge mo say na nanu matro essay say in 20 years time how do they want to see Asante me say enne sekatwene bo akodu atiase amanko atiase the current crop of Asante generation aye hu ni komo fo mu team mam ye ntwa da komo fama
you go there as we are okay ama we say the next 20 anka na say na Asante ti anka komo fo mu team mam ntwa
ma wo sankofo so tware wo mo sen egu ya MPs so no go nim bibia wo ya wo 47 MPs ya na mbafo pese mu ye mu debi o me ye mu ya 47 MPs
whether or
ye this or ye MP sa 47 no omu work out from parliament for mu koro
oh yeah
47
without the 47 MPs parliament
business bien no abekoso me pacho what you say the problem I want to say are they united are they united can they unite and fight for the common cause obi nko yi obi ma
Akoma 87.9
ke John Kuma fa ntin kwaje John Kuma di ntin kwaje no ko make statement say
Akoma FM
ye baba be say kuo bi ase from delegate ase ya mo musika the next prime is John Kuma wini na ni bosi a wabo a odi abetina eho no ye kotu ni sesi a oye young man bi akọ parliament ni etu se pe wa bra ba say ene say adwuma bi a employ o because obi asuro what mean twa uka
yeah okay
what you say onti na amasa de ne koso de tie ne say ye betima bo ma chiri dom ana ye nipa no ye betima bo ma chiri dom okoka ye beta na chi edu mebo fa na my lone ranger me say
Akoma FM
decision bi mia Asante fo ko yi me mai the whole day 2 days me spend the day ni nyina wo manhia palace until so mu say no
yeah cause
you ntimi mpeke no what you say enu bi na ne wa frame yo hai anytime Asante semba ba youth no beka say bia no ma frame me adentira me twa sabia to me de amrantie no me bo ma ba so it's not too late e bia ka me sha self from no mu nyina be kan ye ho a
ke betima ko ye ma yente bante mama bunu bi na yen kwa homa so ne ne jataba eni nkomo jataba line no adrop ono so ye member of Ashanti Youth
empanize se bieburu wo kan tam kese gu amna mu apie enchai owura bi si ase afa no wan mafo se de ende ko gina ba bi keka nsem bi mi boni din kura se bieburu na me home ko gina ba bi keka nsem bi sa santeman kura no Ghana je fa ahodie na se be bru santeman ye ni chefa wom na mpuntuo nyina no wo se koso ewo epoye mantamu abusuafo asem no ya asem a enyan na bon na yeteye no ya susi se sa pani bia nyame ama ne fie na se benko ama ne pani dwene obeka sa asem o kan ye no o metwensan se wanka ne yie
Akoma
FM na aba ama nsuo agya eto ama mire agya ifiri ama se benkwampa agya edayo wotwen aboatwe agya nka se ne ho ase enko begina ko otwa mansa nko anta ato ne pa na aboa ko otwa mansa kura wa practice no na basa esose ne wotwen mu a asem ne ebususem ya bantema mabu ahye akoma na aka ye kra ye tena se ntena eti ne nawukudei ye hia na asem wo kan ye no ne ma ye hu se ane ebre bi na nado ba santema mu befa ye wura we boni dia na mama mu so te kokko so santeman be makuku
Akoma FM.
Okay, ma yanko ahoma so na ye ne eye jataba ni nkomo jataba bibia bokode
Kofi nyami tumi sini hoye
Asante Youth mabunu ye say money bread and over Yaw Osafo Maafo nkomo Maminya will take all the discussions akoso. I raised the debate about the commitment of your MPs and another a development I trust a tree any edeba. What exactly no problem?
Medasi medisi edika ema mima yira otu for oseti action na mencha na nanomo was
Akoma FM.
Kofi mima omoni nyuma pa wo ye de boa Ghana ene santimai adie we no akoso ye mu bi ye hu kaye ema MPP fo chaya adapa se o ka asem no kra na ye di watem on se dudu ona no eni ti sa akoko omo so fom ba ye ekru okodi en ye hu ade ko akiri santimai mu hanom no Yaw Osafo Maafo nsem a oka efa Asante ho no eyade a eyetirimu bo bi a omabo ato ho efititi enye ne ni
Akoma FM.
enkrofo we mu na ma Victor Usu ama abedi president na nado danko Akufo-Addo onene wofa omoka ho na omo sore a na JD dankwa na no kra the west of it na atachia ensema okotra TV so kekaye so untimi nka Ghana abakosem wa mra ubeyi achim efirimu mu achim no enye ni ya ni se yenya ni omo enti achim ni bia ni wo nyansa obeka se ti Asante ni because omo firi ha ene koye ne mo kokoti
Akoma FM.
na omo
Akoma FM.
akakapensem Yaw Osafo Maafo a oye saadie na efiri na no baaye no enye ono nko ana dwumi o eye enhyehyeye a omatrase ahyehyɛ enho adanse die ne ne sɛn efiri na nado danko Akufo-Addo oye so open campaign obeye fadera na wochi bia osikumasi eye bia osiasie na wochi bia osikumasi uka na nado asem wo santima mu a na ya nyanom santifo ba betew edibatem na ene na nado bedi mampanyini no anye dia Kofi
Akoma FM.
ade papa ba ko a waye ne santimam entertain sa okeka ye oka no 2017 2018 2019 kura de ara ho so fa da do tu for ka ho de ne ko ankra na eka besisi se yenya no mo a omo ye MPP fo a omo parliament oseke mensa bonsu oye omo majority leader any omo kika ho no omo so nfa so ben pa na wo ma santeman so ni person mu hia se free na hye bejafo a omo wo fra omantem voter rate
Akoma FM.
omo kai se mredi sida we bi si ewo voter region esi ye no ofurata ye budget o yisri ni members of parliament o voter region ekesi ye ni efo so no e demand ye mo mo di be se mu na anye dia na nado ka so obeye buankra a wanye what is Ashanti region MPP for you know MPP etinya sorry na parliament akase na udi otu for akobuankra say nyame ya adomu a within 3 months sikai ready o ba be yenti Asante man ta wachi
Akoma FM
what you say MPP yes ade no anase what you say atro bose short cutting oye ne santimam ha hwekumawu adwuma pa ma mpanyin da mahama eyeye oja ko ni nyina omogu oma eno du kumawu government hospital owura be ho ni nyina tete pansan no what you say MPs bi aka wansem wo parliament and you know our Asante ye man ni da ho the MPP Asante so ye be transfer for mo party foforo the party bi so na ye be kanachi
Akoma FM
no yini mrika omudidi do mahama tembi do mahama temye do mahama daroma kaplen ti form anaju okumasi phase 1 phase 2 yi so ono an cattle sword e say duma na fi e di loan e baaye e na omo ya na na do babeto ya e di hadi tete di e koso okumasi airport enti no e di any significant project ana na do ba waye enti eye kata bi a MPP se wan Asante region they are useless say ye piniya we should
Akoma FM
they are useless because matrasia jeni say mo sore ya mo say Asante region ya mo stronghold na mo stronghold no it goes development infrastructure development
me jini say ye betimi ama na draw credit airport. I think they've done well. And
Kofi
at least Kwadasu Creative Art School Koso.
Kwadasu Creative Artist Koso. Kumasi Airport and Yanado na ye. Let us say fact.
No. And there you cannot you cannot conclude. I know for a fact. They renew contract Scar the last time the deputy finance minister for the NDC Atoforsen was say they had the order agreement Scar is almost benina nana do buy no mo kwaje and also so that is a fact but say you call for more what I need me do no yeah
adie ba ko we say kan kora ni say answer na do beba na project na ekoso ana say enkoso please answer this for the sake of your listeners
na ekoso but it was in phases what you say exactly
so mahama chance ya no wabeto aso mebu ana
pepe
enti nyame na ye yadom say
obeto aso
Asante man o starti ya ekufu ado na ba ya nko starting po no bi abeto aso
meda wase no ye jataba abusafo egusu a ye di nkomo ewo in response to Osafo Maafo mabunu dodo na youth groups wa Asante region a press conference demonstration reactions but exactly the Osafo Maafo aka
a few months we see the from you can region Ghana no any see region yes experiment the education system we are using area no national health system we are using area no national ayaya we start all over a regional se bibia o bi na mesha so e ba hensam no tete no na so much and not for yata and na no kwe this was the chiefs are fighting for independence I mean that's on the foreign camp I'm not going to part of this region. If you also may reading be reading be a quite your may is region. The far central boy.
Akoma FM.
For the Kakanani, then a baby. My name to the front. So state member free we have some money one rationalize it one can take it on my reason no plan fast for what's no man yano permission it should was in saka
Akoma 87.9 FM ti dia na Osafo Maafo aka mabuna wa Asante mantemu ne na no mayemfu binom ekuku apai me aminua In fact, did Opresenka Asante region Omonto Abamano as a second vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, former presiding member, and of course, no assembly member Edema and Shayeso. Opoman, Bibi Abokode, body.
Kofi,
Abraham body, and now Abusan Fuji now here.
Yes, local.
Na
and
Akoma FM.
Mentiase, Alay, Ujiden, a one cry. Ujide one cry.
Go be here, Bania Casa country party for say. Party paying the Asante Mayatem. Come now, what you mean? Yenti Omunka. It is Asante May, sorry. Me, you be a mere tea papa. Mom make us a bit your party because what kind of party now me Asante May. See, I've born them for a coping of Wasum.
Oh, sir.
Buy a dang. Then call me by and or mammy amma. And the price here said by a fire day. You don't move up to Monday.
Akoma FM.
Back.
Auntie Diana Mopasa and Grand Fornity.
Coffee near person Motiani, I can't show. If you need a papa or Osafo Maafo our perspective. Now, coffee craft one could have brought work in some wow.
Oh, sir.
But when the public work one guy out the ODD abroad, all the station is condemning Omo. Maybe I'll be a from what I can watch. Maybe I'll be a so. And when you say young man should just one guy. It will be a when you say Sam or some market time. I have some any quite separate in the Otinicas. It's surely. The American be at Roma. You go for me.
Akoma FM.
Na mibo so Opoman a dear name of problem Hankasa.
Could be a problem, they say. Osafo Maafo and I say, Nani Asante, no more Asante. This is the second time I work as a Asante. But they be your car, then you party at four. Now you hear me. You want to Osafo Maafo ni Asante, I him to be any man so. And only Asante many man so. Name on politics in tea. A young say, maybe Kufwa Bemono. You may be a son one a year, and or Kufu, you know. Since then, they be our person Casamasa, getting it ever for. Mimi are your politics near what tradition. Baby, you see, I don't need to
Akoma FM.
At him any Asantia, Kenya. It's not the first time or Casantini is ready, but not enough. But that time now, or Casan, near a party as a elections near it is anti-mine independent, every year then walk together. It was a packet. Anytime we bring opportunity piano, almost person to follow party more or more money in Buffalo. And only a movie here, sorry, young Chelsea Masadi and also. It's a Quasia in Chatham Prensa. I know. This time I best stop with them. Yamino will say, Bibi, baby.
Akoma FM.
Stop him, Papa. No, how do you stop him? As someone, what can we? Or my bontes or crime, can they be sorry or whatever?
Sir, we are so Bibi. I did the can answer the boy money. Say nursing penny for Renka, and I'm a boy.
No credit. No credit.
To see I'm in no castle. So the bank to my press conference. Yes, Kumasi Koku, bank money penny. In his set before Bay and anything. Constituency be asked at here. And then crime funding penny forcing in any year. Yes, hereby I can't show Says Sadiano. You have press conference. We are demonstrating changing. That was why you be. I ain't never penny for some money as I have.
Akoma FM.
Na penyin bi asa abachi yen asante for MPP for 7 years minti. Si ansa ankodi o mani nkwasra open so se ye campaign wukuru. Hey, nti party nti yen bi atamfo yen mtuturi for mana. Ye ne sanye yi, anya hwe kwa yen ni de yebu no ba. Na wo tumi wen munyam so Africa. Ye Ghana o Africa. Nti yen tena se mo bia amfa yen mtuturi for. Kofi, me no ka se hwe. Oh, nia enu anen kenken san yesi. And then I am a damn when you be president for the a year out or endorse will be as well. So when you be,
yeah.
Another strategy because it's a
Akoma FM.
Anymore Yama Waka MPP ma a president Kufo President Kufo in party Mrafi Ubia or party. When himself we are penina in Pakistan and Ubia in the back. But when you got Carino. So I Santini, I penny President Kufo, wow, I endorse Bawia. It's not penny because now then a president, why you penny in Wakasa. Come on, is there any channel Mobu Papa? We were Sadian and see. Yent now, Momunia and penny for this hour. Yenia Bre Papa, Ubia will be penny of this movie. And yes, sir, for tradition in Tonchani and your party. Yeah, may I MPP. No, we are so not gradually. The respect that our leaders have no, they offer. We know we sit down make them fool us every day. And see that.
Cecilia, more arrangement is the more per se or Osafo Maafo be pacho or also be retracted.
Unretracted statements, no pacho. Echa. Say me akoi. Echeze kofi penifo kan no kan yo. No mo ta na chi. Because you national chairman of the party o meboa.
Aye.
The press conference ni kata ye ko onte. Eti na na kufuado onte. Eti je Jambodu onte. Nipa ni de ya pa.
Akoma FM.
Chairman wuntumi. Eh. Ya to aba ni 3 days. Uko jina nkan, wo so dia santeman nyina ata Jambodu eti meboa. Pepe. Sa eye. Na japade a wo wa wo ko baabi a wo de ta obi eti. Ya ka se tia sa japade no. Me no ka se. Chema untimi nika entimi me condemn ye. Enti ya wo isu ya tese chema untimi de no wa bo atemfo no. Enti no mo kan wo ye. Enu nti no ma di asante asema untimi nkasa no. Kenya sa nko beka bibia tro. Enti ko bi press conference no
87.9.
Ye wia. Ndim say nke benya shadow chairman in the Ashanti region.
Hey,
you obeki Asanteman, what ya Asanteman ase, who protect ya Asanteman, you know be kan ye be yedma origin. So ya me you obi e mo fa party ni kwaye bakeni. We ye di Asante for temi Asanteman tema, who kan say gu na chi no aye din.
Matwa baby amoyi mo chairman no, baby amode mo asmo na fa na no.
Na go bi say shadow chairman de nipa na eyi. Ni jaso na ni ye adwuma. Eti ya ka tete ma untumi ya san go ama ne mere. So me condemn statement no on catch papa so retracted. So when you anya sadia, let us say no question de no about
Akoma FM.
Omuma santie no nyamra for. It will choose our shadow chairman in the region. I must be honest. I know the fan changing. We are waiting for the all press conference here, baby. Here you will see the shadow chairman in Ashanti region. Now we will play in our development.
Wow, and teacher says, "Sa press conference course or bantamano, a course or all constituencies in the Ashanti region."
All constituencies there. Yen say ayabe, yen say kuyabe. But mo dey ku panyi. And think it was in Kasaria. Let me tell you, actually, you go out. Omo mra because somebody did not sentiment.
I see. Opoma.
Akoma FM.
Ma na wase na nigiri se mugusu a mo won kran na
FM ye call one radio we ani isiwaba.
Mate, wish you all the best. Jataba na ye di nkomo, I think say Opoman ba bi twa. Ye nwie ye nkomo no. Se se a mo so mo obibi sonko bia mo pesa mo ya na.
Yo Kofi medasi. Na me America mano mano ensi ahomano na ti koye. Nia ekoso no. Aya de bia edu baabi e wo se ye ma amanfo etiase. NPP a ene amanfo agiata o
Akoma FM. Akoma FM.
No. NPP ni sibihin. Ya nana so sajima tempo ene yi ni chiame panyini bafo akoto. Ena omode for me ye. Omu kegen agusu bi nyina bakosɛ no wo ho. Na the formation of NPP no. Asante fo mpanyifo ewo mu no mu ye nhomso kese pa. Nhomso omu ye ni so omu di dankwa eba be mu. Because NLM National Liberation Movement na e wo ho no mu no. A etwe be dani UP United Party no. Gato Kalio and the Northern People's Party esi isrim yenyanum simfo be join
FM.
Sifomokoi and kan for be join ye. And yenyanum anguna for be join ye. Yenyanum fancy for be join ye and UP United Party. One ben na tim for the beboa ye. Ene omo ye ne dankwa abuzi adomu. What is the meaning? One ben omo de beboa ye. And no man say hwan so nkofo we so and no mu misbehave sa ene ya ma omo akwanya amoma beyinya man.
I think nkofo we no so no is a wrong language. We can avoid it. Thank you.
Okay, I'm avoiding it.
Thank you.
Akoma FM.
Yes, I say yenua no mu achimfo omo free ha call ye no. And one brain and no mu de beboa. always adeɛ ni yɛ ba asante mɛmu no ɔmo sɔre tia.
Bila mayɛmfa nkɔmɔ no sia ayi mini ajataba ɛnɛ yɛ nana bila birthday me ba bɛ wɔhye no na.
Kofi ɛkyina nɔpa. Yɛ bɛ yɛ press conference ɛwɔ senate conference.
Okay maame hwɛ wɔ anim me da so. Obolo mepatɔ bra ɛnɛ voice no wɔ any. Okay JB ɛnɛ yɛ nana bila kantanka birthday.
Yes.
For the first time in the history of my life, Matisse will be birthday. Minti bida. For the first time in the history. Minimda. Sir, one me banso birthday yepe. Minti. I na bila. Walker akala or the paint aye picture no kakra.
Na Belucha send the message with their tune.
No, why Walker wa color a picture no. Jadebo. As if was a movie picture when we share Bilanamo who the same thing. Don't be disappointed by way a color image. Object in mirror appear closer than they see. Take it as a
church nothing and a Bilana. The way almost see Bilano. Now I say you yourself.